warning for Central Warren County, southwestern Lee County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southern Pines, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Whispering Pines, Taylortown, Vass, Cameron, Vernon Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Lee and Moore.